Dixie! Dixie! Dixie?
I thought you loved Unimogs, Bob.
You know I love Unimogs. Heck, I have 7 of them. It's just that I can get LMTV parts a lot cheaper.
You know, a Unimog would run circles around an LMTV.
But I don't need a rock crawler. I need something rugged, 4-wheel drive with a flatbed for my Alaskan Camper. Now you tell me where else I can get a truck like that for under $7,000.
Well, not legally. Will you have it ready for MogFest next week?
Yeah, sure. Absolutely. You're kidding, right?
WB4ETT and 0QGH.
Hey, Bill, my daughter's on the radio. I need to talk to her. I'll catch you later, okay? N0QGH.
B4ETT, good morning.
Hi, Dad. Dixie's outside somewhere and
I can't find her anywhere.
That darn cat's missing again. The cat gets lost more than lint in the laundromat. I heard coyotes a little while ago. We better get out there and find her.
do you have any idea where we should look?
I haven't the foggiest idea. I've seen her out near the woods. Let's look over there first.
You seen her yet? You seen anything?
Try closer along the tree line.
Okay. Dixie!
Dixie!
Kitty, kitty.
Hey!
Dixie.
I think I see something. Hey, Dad, I found her!
I'm glad you found her.
Dad, since we already have your Alaskan Camper out, why don't we pick up mine and go camping?
That sounds like a great idea. When the sun's up a little more and it warms up, we'll pick up your trailer.
Well, thanks for helping me find old Dixie, Dad. I have no idea how she got out.
You bet. She is quite the escape artist. It's a good thing we caught her before the coyotes did. The coyotes like cats better than we do.
Now, you and Mom and I should get away from all the cell phones and televisions and laptops and just do a little bit more truck camping.
If I had my way, I'd spend every night under the stars.
Well, it's getting late. Good night, Dad.
Good night.